Hello friends, welcome to the SM Astro channel. Let us understand about the meaning of Seven of Club. The Seven of Club indicates a change in situation, success in business or a legal problem. The change in situation is whether favorable or unfavorable is dependent on the surrounding cards. It can also signify an anxiety in love life, weighing pros and cons, principles, restlessness, discomfort, workaholic, trapped in love relation. It is mostly a work card. It can also indicate the repair of a car or home, trouble from opposite gender. It also advises us to carefully evaluate situation before taking a decision. That is, we do not rush or hurry into a decision. Need to carefully evaluate and understand the situation. It also signifies negotiation, argument, disagreement, and making best of tough situation. It also signifies our feet.